Learn how to generate marketing descriptions for your online store's products with AI in Google Sheets. You can use a formula called GPTVISION that processes and analyzes images with AI directly in your spreadsheets. Select a cell and type equal GPTVISION, followed by the instructions for the AI inside quotation marks to analyze the image of a product and provide a marketing description for it. Add a comma, and for the next parameter, select the cell containing the product image URL. Press enter to see how the AI completes the task for you. Now, you can copy this formula down to generate descriptions for all the other products on the list. To get this formula, let's install a free extension that will enable us to use AI directly in our spreadsheets. Visit sheetgpt.ai, click Install, and follow the steps to add the extension. Next, open a spreadsheet, navigate to Extensions, search for SheetGPT, and click Enable. Now you are ready to analyze images with AI directly in Google Sheets. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips about AI and Google.